Okay, now we are dealing with theorem 2. Yeah, bon. So the definition of theorem 2 states that the angle subtended by an arc, this is an arc, an angle subtended by an arc at the center of a circle is double the size of the angle subtended by the same arc at the circumference. Yeah, bon. So basically, this space here, this space here is an arc. Yeah, bon. So what they're trying to say, Uti, both these angles come from the same point. Yeah, bon. So now let's look. This angle here comes from here, also comes from here, and that angle there also comes from here and here. So they both come from the same point. Yeah, bon. So those angles which comes from the same point, the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. Yeah, bon. So this is 2x and that is x. Yeah, bon. So this angle at the center is twice that angle at the circumference. When those angles both come from the same point. Yeah, bon. That is the only situation you can state that. Look at here also. There is this part here is an arc. Yeah, bon. Both these angles come from the same point, from this point, and from that point. So it means this angle here is twice this angle. Yeah, bon. So when they both come from the same point, the one that is produced to the center is twice the one that is produced to the circumference. Yeah, bon. Now let's try and prove it. So you'll be given a diagram like this, a circle with this diagram inside, and you will be required to prove that this angle here, this whole angle, is twice that whole angle. Yeah, bon. So this line here, this is the construction line. Remember, this construction line here, you will not be given it here, but you do it yourself. You construct it yourself. Then you're gonna write down there that you constructed this line. Yeah, bon. So I did a construction line. Then I have C1, no C2. Yeah, bon. Then I have O1, I have O2. Yeah, bon. So now I have two triangles. Okay. Now let's prove it. Join line CO. Line CO. The first thing that you do is join line CO so that you can be able to prove other things. So I've joined line CO. Okay, after you join line CO, you'll be able to say that angle O1 is equal to angle C1 plus angle A, exterior angle of a triangle. Angle O1, this is angle O1, is equal to angle C1 plus A, which is the rule of a triangle. The rule of a triangle states that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to two opposite interior angles. So this angle here is an exterior angle of this triangle. So this angle here is equal to this angle plus this angle. Secondly, now that you joined line CO and you have line OA, both these lines are at the radius of this diagram, right? At the radius of the circle. So now that means this line CO equals line OA. That means these sides are equal. Yeah, boy. And the reason saying that CO is equal to OA is because radi equals. That means the radius are equal. Now, since that you have equal radius, that means this side is equal to this side. Why? Because this angle is equal to this angle. Why? Because these sides are equal. So if you have two equal sides, that means this angle and that angle will be equal. So if you have 90 here, that means this would gonna be 45, 45. There is no other way they won't be equal if they have the same equal sides. So that's what they are saying here. Angle C1 is equal to angle A. Angle C1 is equal to angle A. There is an angle opposite equal sides. These are the angles opposite equal side. But we have equal sides. These are the angles opposite to equal sides. This is an equal side. This angle here is opposite to this this side. This angle here is opposite to this side. So they both equal. Then now and now you can say that angle O1 is equal to 2 times angle C1. Remember here we said angle O1 is equal to angle C1 plus angle A. But then we found out angle C1 is equal to angle A. So that means you can still take one of them. Take one of them and multiply it by 2 because they are both equal. So since we were able to prove that angle C1 is equal to angle A, then we can say that angle O1 is equal to 2 times angle C1 because where they are both equal, you twice them in order to get angle O1. Okay. Now same applies to this angle, to this triangle. This is angle O2. So angle O2 will be equal to C2 plus angle A. And angle A is equal to angle C2 because we have this equal side, COOB. So that means those angles opposite to this side are equal. To this side which are equal also. So that means angle C2 because it's opposite to this side is equal to angle B because it's opposite to this side. So that means angle O2 also, angle O2 is equal to 2 times angle C2. Angle C2 because value C2 yalingana no angle B, and O2 is equal to angle C2 plus angle B. So you can take 1 because the value they are equal. So in order to get angle O2, you have to twice angle C2. Now you're trying to prove here this angle is twice that angle. Now you're gonna say angle O1 plus angle O2 is equal to 2 times C1 plus 2 times C2. Which I want to angle O2 uhambisana no 2 times angle C2. Angle O1 uhambisana no 2 times angle C1. So you then take out the common factor here, which is 2. 2 corner on both sides. You take 2 outside, and then you're still leaving it as angle O1 plus angle O2. So now remember angle C1 plus angle C2 is the whole C. About angle C1 plus angle C2, that is the whole C. That is angle A, that is ACB. If you say ACB, you are talking about this angle. Then at this side, angle O1 plus angle O2. So angle O1 plus angle O2 will keep it at this, and it's this angle more at the O1 O2. So this angle here is equal to 2 times ACB. That means it's equal to 2 times this angle here. So that is what they're stating. As you can see, that they say AOB. AOB. So the angle that is in the middle, since they say AOB, they are talking about this O. Since they say AOB, they are saying buga this side, not to buga that side. So they say AOB is equal to 2ACB. AOB is equal to 2ACB. That means in order to get this angle, you twice that angle. So that is theorem 2. So I'm gonna send you after you have went through the lesson, and if you have question, ask, I'll answer. Then I'm gonna send you a worked example, then an example that you're gonna work yourself to see if you're gonna understand it.